Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two grooming essentials that every man needs. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and on the right, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver. Get ready for some epic comparisons, hilarious jokes, and of course, the ultimate verdict. Let the battle begin. Let's talk about the first category that always catches our attention: price. The Genuine OneBlade replacement blades come in at just $34, while the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver will set you back $37. It's a close call, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Now, let's see which one can go the distance. The Genuine OneBlade replacement blades claim to last up to 12 months with 3 blades. That's 2 full shaves per week. On the other hand, the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver boasts a stainless steel blade that can last up to 4 months, while the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades definitely have the upper hand here. When it comes to versatility, both products are no slouch. The Genuine OneBlade replacement blades can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. You can even use it dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. Meanwhile, the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver takes it up a notch with its 5-in-1 open comb design. It can handle even the longest and thickest hair without clogging. Talk about power. Now, let's dive into the most important aspect, the shaving experience. The Genuine OneBlade replacement blades feature glide coating and rounded tips, providing a comfortable shave without getting too close to the skin. It's like a gentle hug for your face. On the other hand, the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver has an innovative 360 blade that flexes in all directions, adjusting to the curves of your face. It's like a dance party for your skin. Time to talk about the cherry on top, the extra features. The Genuine OneBlade replacement blades offer a subscribe and save option for replacement blades, allowing you to save up to 15%. That's some serious money-saving potential. Meanwhile, the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver comes with a USB-A charging cable, making it convenient for on-the-go grooming. No wall power adapter, no problem. Both the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades and the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praise the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades for their durability, easy installation, and consistent performance, providing a smooth and close shave. They are also commended for their cost-effectiveness in the long run. On the other hand, the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver is highly recommended for its versatility, precision, and comfortable grooming experience. Customers appreciate its 5-in-1 open comb design and the convenience of a USB-A charging cable. Overall, both products have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to personal preferences and needs. Alright folks, it's time for the ultimate verdict. Both the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades and the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver have their strengths, but in the end, there can only be one winner. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with long-lasting blades, go for the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades. But if you want a versatile grooming tool with a flexible blade, the OneBlade 360 Face Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver is your go-to. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay smart, stay savvy.